everyone, very warm welcome. It is Monday the 14th of March 2022 and I have just finished teaching the Improvers Solo Ballroom and Latin weekly class, and in this class we completed our Improvers Ballroom Tango practice routine number 1. So I have taught over the course of 3 sessions, the 3rd of January 2022, the 7th of February 2022 and now the 14th of March 2022. So there were 3 classes, 3rd of January, 7th of February and the 14th of March, that led up to the end of this routine. The first couple of classes we worked on technique and ballroom techniques, heel leads and things like that. Then we looked at some of the tango steps and so on, and now today we actually completed the routine. So guys, I'm going to make a little start. I'm not doing this with music because if you're watching this on YouTube you will know there are copyright issues, so I'm trying to stay very clear of any copyright issues, so this will just be a breakdown without music. And if you're watching this in my paid video website, on my own paid video library on my website, thank you so much for supporting me, and do not forget to check out the full classes. If you are seeing me on YouTube then and you do want to go check out those classes, you will find the full 90-minute classes in my paid video library, so you are more than welcome to go and sign up for a free trial. All the links are in the description below if you're watching this on a YouTube video. Guys, let me make a little start. Now, from right side, I'm going to do walks and a progressive link. Leaders timing. Walk, walk, link to the little promenade. Promenade and close. Slow, quick, quick, slow. A reverse turn. Leaders timing. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. I should have said closed reverse turn because it was the closing of the feet, not the outside reverse turn. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. If you get disorientated in a moment when we put the full routine together and we end up going around the room, do not panic. I explained all of that in the full class, so you can check that out, which would have been 14th of March 2022. That was this morning. Now, I'm going to do from this corner the same but on the follower's timing. Okay, so we have the introduction to this routine, doing it as a leader and then as a follower. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. So guys, that's the progressive link, the promenade and close, and the reverse, closed, reverse turn on leaders and then followers. When we do this together as the whole routine, there was a little pause of 4 counts, which I was counting for everyone. I'll do that in a moment. Second section. Right foot, back rock. Left foot, forwards rock, but with a little bit of twist, so you end up almost lunging. Okay, I'll do that a little bit closer so you can see. Back, rock and lunge with a bit more twist. I know you're going to be facing away now. Side, drag, and a promenade point. And I know you're now facing away from the screen that you're watching me on. So guys, I'm actually going to turn myself around here and start this facing the wrong way. So in a moment I will be the other way, just so you can see. Back, rock, there's my little lunge and twist. Side, drag, point. Okay, once more, I'll do that backwards for you. Back, twist, side, drag, and point. Remember, I'm taking all the elements of the proper figures from syllabus work and I am playing with them just a little bit to get us a nice solo routine, and we're adding leaders and followers steps together with a little bit of artistic license. So if you think, that's not quite what I learned in a traditional ballroom some point, you could be right, but I'll always explain that. That particular step is something that I've put together for the living room, okay? It uses steps that we would use in the ballroom, but I've just pieced them together very slightly differently. Let us do that facing this way, because when we do this, we're going around. So let's do section 1 and that little bit of section 2. Walk, walk, link, promenade and close, close, reverse turn, little pause. You should be facing away from your screen. Going back on the right foot now on the follower's timing. Slow, slow. Link, promenade, close, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Reverse turn. Quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. Second section with that little rock. Rock, twist and lunge, side step, drag, promenade point. That is section 2. Guys, this is going a little bit too quickly for you. Either slow the video down if you're watching it on YouTube with the settings, or if not, in the playlist on my website. Obviously, I've done this over 3 classes, so this may feel a little bit hurried, but this is just a short recap so everyone can just memorize this without having to watch 3 hours worth of videos. Guys, I'm going to walk across the screen now. Now, nice and slow. 1 walk, second walk, 3 flick ball changes. Flick, ball, change, flick, ball, change, flick, ball, change. And those of you with a very keen eye will notice that I kept on the spot. In the ballroom there would be some forwards motion on there. However, not enough space. So, walk, walk, flick, ball, change, flick, ball, change, flick, ball, change. If you've got lots of space then please go on and travel, but I'm trying to keep it small. Now, last little bit. There's a lot going on, so let me face this way. When we do this eventually in the routine, again there will be some negotiating the direction and having a little think about where we place ourselves in the room. But for the purposes of the video, to get the step, I'm going to go in front. There's my curtain, that's my front. Now, leaders, footwork for a fall away reverse slip pivot with a small adjustment for the living room. Let me explain. Forwards, side, cross, but with a little bit of rotation. You can see I'm rotating my body. Back on my right. Swing my left leg over. Swing my right leg over. Slightly side and left with a 90 degrees on my left. And bring the right foot over. Guys, I've just stretched that out more linear, one line, than it would be in the ballroom. Again, just so we can see that on the screen. I'm going to start here. Forwards, side, cross, back, swing, side, side with the little point. Okay, just to make sure that my feet don't roll off that screen, I'm just going to keep my eye on the screen a little bit here. So, forwards, side, cross, back, swing, side, side, point. Timing, 6 quicks and 1 slow. The last one, when I move the left foot and put weight on it, I'm actually bringing the right foot across. It's all one action. So we've got quick, 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 slow. Do it once more. Quick, 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 slow. Now, unfortunately, in the routine, that'll be the opposite way round. We're actually going to be facing the opposite way. So, let's do those 2 walks and the 3 flick ball changes across. Left, right, flick, ball, change, flick, ball, change, flick, ball, change. Now this fall away step. Forwards, side, cross. Back, swing, side, side, shh, and point. Okay, I'm overturning that very slightly. And then I'm going to do little swivels. Little swivel. Little swivel. I'm doing 4 of them, and then on the last one, I'm going to step through, side, and close. Okay, so there's a lot going on there. I'm going to take it from the fall away, which came after the 3 flick ball changes. I'm over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They'll be quick. 7 will be slow. Swivel, 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 through, side, and close. I'm going to do those swivels slightly on the diagonal and look into my right diagonal corner. Again, this is all based on the space that I have available. You can over and under rotate these. We are not doing strict syllabus work. We are dancing on our own for a little bit of fun and exercise at home, so that we can just get the hang of these dances, so it doesn't have to be ultra precise. We're going to take it from the very top, whole thing together. Here we go. Walk, walk, link, promenade to close, reverse turn, second part, little pause, and I go back, right, left, link, go across, reverse turn, back rock, forwards rock and twist, side, drag, promenade point, walk, walk, flick, ball, change, flick, ball, change, flick, ball, change. Now the fall away to the reverse slip pivot. Over we go. Swivel, 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 stepping through, side and close. This time round with the counts, I will not be able to say the names and the counts together, so just the counts. Here we go. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick and quick, quick and quick, quick and quick, 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 slow, 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 slow. Guys, that's quite a lot. Do look back into my playlist on my paid video website and practice this over and over again. Remember, it was only a short time ago that I introduced the Ballroom Tango to my improvers online, and I'm gradually building up through the levels of solo work. Okay, so this is solo, Ballroom Tango, improvers, practice routine number 1, taught across 3 lessons, and the final lesson where we put everything together was the 14th of March 2022, and if you're looking in my video library, that's where you need to see the whole lesson if this was a little bit too quick for you. Thank you so much for supporting me. Really, really do appreciate it. I will hopefully see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.